Imagine you're sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail, watching the waves roll in. You're financially secure, relaxed, and enjoying life. Ever wondered if there's a secret to financial freedom? A magical formula that can turn your savings into a steady stream of income without the hassle of stock picking or market timing? Well, today, we're diving into one such investment strategy, Raiz. What is Raiz? Raiz is essentially a micro-investing app. Think of it as a casual way to invest, similar to saving up spare change. You link your bank account to Raiz, and it automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar. The difference is then invested into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. How does Raiz work? So, how does this magic happen? It's all about automation and diversification. The app takes the small amounts you've rounded up and invests them into a mix of assets, including stocks, bonds, and property. This diversification helps to spread risk and potentially boost your returns over time. Benefits of using Raiz. There are a few key benefits to using Raiz. Accessibility. It's incredibly easy to get started. Just download the app, link your bank account, and you're investing. Affordability. You can start investing with as little as $5, making it accessible to everyone. Automation. The app does all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to worry about researching investments or timing the market. Diversification. By investing in a mix of assets, you're reducing your risk. Compound interest. The power of compound interest can work wonders over time, especially when you start investing early. Potential drawbacks. While Raiz offers several advantages, it's not without its potential drawbacks. Fees. There are fees associated with using Raiz, so it's important to understand the costs involved. Limited control. You have less control over your investments compared to traditional stock picking. Market risk. Even with diversification, there's still a risk of losing money if the market performs poorly. Is Raiz right for you? So, is Raiz a good way to make money? The answer depends on your individual circumstances and goals. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to start investing and benefit from the power of compound interest, Raiz could be a great option. However, if you're seeking more control over your investments or are comfortable with higher risk, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Raiz is right for you is to do your own research and consider your financial situation. But one thing is certain, starting early and investing consistently can make a significant difference in your long-term financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.